So we're here with Nightclub at the British Museum. Nightclub is part of Norwich Castle's Royal Palace Reborn project, which is funded by the National Lottery Heritage Fund. Over the course of today, we're going to be teaching visitors how to sword fight like a medieval knight. We're also going to be giving demonstrations every hour. The reason for this is it's part of the British Museum and Norwich Castle partnership. Norwich Castle, when the renovation is complete, is going to be hosting the first ever British Museum gallery outside of London.
The link between the British Museum and Norwich Castle Museum is one that's been developed over 20 years now, and it's initially come from the work that we do with the British Museum in relation to archaeological finds in the county, and that's become crystallised with the Royal Palace Reborn project. Things like this are incredibly important to get young people involved.
The British Museum has a national programme across the whole of the UK, and as part of that, one of the things that we do is we want to share as many objects across the nation as we can. Probably the most important national project we're working on at the moment is with Norwich Castle Museum. We're learning about 55 objects, and they range from things like armour to personal objects. By doing that, by working together in partnership, what that means is we can have greater impact together to drive more visitors to the castle, to engage in a more complete story of medieval England. I think it really brings that history to life, and you can really put yourself in the shoes of those people all those years ago. It's gone down really, really well. We've heard the crowds cheering, getting behind everything. It's a fun and amazing atmosphere.
I didn't really have much of an idea about medieval tournaments before, so a bit of an insight.
I happened to be walking by and I got so excited. How else are you going to kind of get excited about it? Because the books can be like really dry, or a lot of the time won't give you a sense of like how exciting and visceral the experience is.
So it's incredibly important to be taking events like this out to different locations, because it shares all of the amazing work that's currently underway at Norwich Castle.